Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before starting this video, I want to apologize for any background noise you might hear. I do have my window open. It's a nice breeze, so I need that breeze. It feels great. So you might hear airplanes, birds, people. Hopefully you don't, but if you do, I'm sorry about that. If you don't know, this video is in collaboration with GlamMomDez here on YouTube, of course. If you don't know who this is, I will show a picture right here of her YouTube. So me and her are both going to use the Galaxy Chic palette from BH Cosmetics, and it's just a little twist to this because we're gonna use this eyeshadow palette for our eyes, but also for highlights and contour and blush. I'm nervous about that, but that's what we're doing for this video. So if you want to check her video out after watching mine, you can click the link in my description on her video. So show love to GlamMomDez. She has a great channel, and support her, subscribe to her channel and all that. So let's get right into this. These shadows are beautiful. I'm just a little bit nervous just because I'm used to using mattes and then any baked or shimmer shadows, but in this video, I'm only supposed to use this palette. I already primed my eyes with some concealer. I always use concealer to prime my eyes. For my crease, I'm going to use this shadow right here. And with this, I'm not being precise at all. I'm just applying all over my crease. I was going to do a lighter eye look, but you know what? My heart was telling me to go with this one. This blends really well. I've never used these shadows in my crease, only like to top it off on some matte shadows, but by itself, it's amazing. It's very blendable and it's pigmented. And the great thing about this, it's inexpensive. So I did apply this shadow a little out, I don't know if I'm going to keep it like that, but let's see how it plays out because I might clean it up and take it out. I don't know. All depends. I'm going to do a cut crease on my lid. I'm going all over. So I'll be using the e.l.f. concealer. I'm done with that. Okay, I'm gonna dip into this shadow right here. I don't know how this will perform. I'm just a little skeptical, a little nervous. I'm gonna dip into that shadow and apply it on my outer corner. And I'm just tapping and applying it right where I applied the concealer. With this little brush, I'm taking the same shadow and getting close to the crease so I won't go above the line. Next, I want to use this shadow right here. I'm going to go right on top. Blend that out. I don't want it to look harsh, I want it to look seamless. And I'm gonna keep on applying because I feel like the more you apply, the more you see it pop. I'm cleaning this brush off so I can use it again. I'm gonna dip into this shadow right here, Cosmic, and use it to go close to the crease. I feel when you apply a little bit more, you're intensifying these big shadows, especially this purple. It's amazing. I'm gonna dip into Pluto. I don't want to lose the pigmentation on that color. So I clean this brush and now I'm going to go into this one right here. And I'll be applying it in the inner corner of my lid and also my tear dot. I clean this brush as well, same shadow, and line this up. And I did apply a little bit more of the highlight. It's not going to meet up with the cut crease that I did because I want the highlight in the inner corner to pop a little bit more. You're just being creative and overdoing it. It's like painting on your face. So I'm going to jump back into this. I just put a little bit of concealer. We're going to use these eyeshadows for contour, blush, and highlight. So for my contour, I'm going to use this one right here. So nervous, oh my gosh. Whoa. And this is when you blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna put some up here. So nervous about that. Gotta blend, blend, blend. Doesn't look horrible, but it's not the best thing ever. I'm gonna take my other brush, my other contour brush that has nothing on it to blend. Oh my goodness, this looks like a hot mess. I'm going to use this orange shadow right here for blush. I'm just gonna use a little. This is not that bad. It has like a nice sheen to it. I'm going to use this one for highlight. It's not bad for highlight. I mean, I won't use it on a daily basis. I want to use this shadow right here. It's the blue one. And I'm going really close to my lower lash line. And I'm going to use this only on the outer corner. Clean my brush off, and now I'm going to use this shadow right here and use it for my lower lash line as well. Okay, I'm going to use this highlight for under my brow. I will be right back. I'm just going to do my lashes and apply some lip gloss. I am done with my Galaxy Chic. I'm truly loving the eye look, and I do love the eyeshadow for the highlight. This highlight, like, do you see this? It's so like, wow. The only thing was with the contour, I had a little trouble there. The blush, I only used a little bit. I think I'm going to use this palette again for more of a natural look that you can go out on a daily basis if you have this, because I love how these shadows blend so well. I do want to say thank you to GlamMomDez for asking me to do this collaboration. Thank you, honey. And like I told her, I'm so happy she asked me, because now I can actually use this palette, like almost all the shadows and not just like one. So thanks to her, and if you have not seen her video, please check her video out. It's in my description below. She's using this palette just like I did. She's doing the same thing but a different look, so check her video out to see what she comes up with. And with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy, please like my video. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. This beauty, okay.